The growing epidemic of violence, disrespect, and bullying in our schools has become a grave concern to educators, parents, and students alike. In a culture that glorifies violence, risk, and other negative behaviors, teens often lack the knowledge and skills needed to consistently act with positive values. Project Love is a character-building, education, and training organization that has directly impacted over 50,000 teens. Through workshops, community events, leadership training, and media programs, Project Love empowers teens and adults to build a culture of kindness, caring, and respect wherever they go.
To get things going, each November, Project Love jumpstarts the new year with Kickoff for Kindness, where thousands of students participate in a massive interactive pep rally and return to their schools motivated to put their values in action and encourage their peers to do the same. And that's a great start, but you might wonder, what comes next?
Well, when they get back to school, that's when Project Love's real work begins. Searching for Teen Leaders is a Project Love program designed to encourage students to put their values into action. By allowing teachers and fellow students to nominate extraordinary teens for their accomplishments as leaders and role models, this award program continues to identify and encourage tomorrow's leaders. But who develops these leaders?
Kindness Core workshops help cultivate value-based leadership among students by challenging them to take a stand for what they believe in. By bringing together student leaders from diverse backgrounds to talk about issues that impact school culture, students are encouraged to find their passion, create a vision, and be a part of the solution. But some students have extremely difficult obstacles that stand between them and the leaders they can be.
Project Love addresses these issues head-on with Believe to Achieve. In this program, at-risk girls are taught and mentored to make positive life choices. By interrupting the cycle of poverty, discouragement, and breaking down the barriers to academic success, Believe to Achieve is helping these teens to manage their anger and redirect their energy to achieve a better future. But without a solid foundation, sometimes it can be hard to build a better future.
That's why Project Love developed Ready for Youth. This program builds good relationships, life skills, and goals at a pivotal point in 5th through 8th grade students' lives. Using best practices to foster a culture of respect, improve retention, reduce delinquency and gang involvement at this early level gives kids a far greater chance for success as they enter high school. This program also trains staff school-wide to assure that educators can reinforce program concepts daily.
So there it is, from the ground up. For over 16 years, Project Love has been empowering teens and adults to build a culture of kindness, caring, and respect wherever they go. And with your support, Project Love will continue its vital work to build a better, brighter future for the youth of today and the leaders of tomorrow.